Hello, my name is Sarah Duong. I am a consultant and project manager at Concentrus, a NetSuite solution provider. Today, I want to give you a quick overview of the standard customer portal. Just a quick note, this is not the My Account customer portal that's part of Suite Commerce Advanced. So at a high level, I'll go over how to give customer access to the portal and what's in the portal. So the first thing you want to do is go and enable the feature. So you want to go to Setup, you want to go to Company and Enable Features. And under Web Presence, you'll see under Access that there is a Customer Access. Please check that and hit Save. Okay, once that's done, you can go to a customer and give them access to the customer portal and give them a certain role. So I want to take a minute here. The role that you give them is what they're able to see. So how the functionality that is seen in the customer portal, like whether they can see invoices, whether they can see sales order, or place support tickets, that depends on how the role is configured, what permission is there. So I want you to note that there are two customers that I've set up. One that has a standard role, which is this one right here. And the second one is the standard role, but has no access to sales order. So we'll see the difference in a little bit, okay? So to give access, it's very simple. Click Edit, check the Give Access box. Let me do that right now. You just click Edit, and then down below, give it a minute here. Down below under Systems Information, under Access, click the checkbox Give Access. You can manually assign a password to them and then choose the role that you want them to have. All right? So let's go into the customer portal. How you get there is you can find the URL by going to Setup, Company. Under Company Information, there is a Company URL subtab. So there's a Customer Center login link. Just click on that link or copy and paste that. What I've already done here is I've copied and pasted, and I'm going to log in with the credentials I just set up. So this is a user that has just the standard. I've changed nothing on the permissions. So this is what it typically comes with. And you'll see here where it can see billing information, it can see orders, and it can create or review support cases here. So let's look at billing real quick. Let's say make a payment. So when you click on make a payment, you should be able to see all the open invoices. So these would be a list of all the invoices, the credits you have, and any deposits that are available. And then down here, it will give you the option if you have credit card processing on file to use credit card here. Okay, so you can use credit card here, enter the credit card, so the customer is able to do that on its own and hit submit. And that will create a payment authorization on the NetSuite side. Okay. In order to go back, we just click on the dashboard and we're back here. So same thing here, orders, you can see, you can enter a sales order, you can see the quotes, see the orders that are under your account, and support cases here, you're able to create a support case by clicking on Contact Support, and you're also able to review a list of support cases that you've already created. Over on the left-hand side here, there are some preferences that the user can set. There's a search portal, and there's some quick view portals here. Okay, so let's log in as, so what I mentioned before is this customer was given a different role where the permission to add or see sales orders was taken away. So now you can see under the orders that the sales order, or to create a sales order and see sales order is no longer there. So that's how you're able to control. Now the look and feel is very limited. It's pretty much what you see is what you get. You are able to add a logo here, and that's the extent of that. So that is the customer portal in a nutshell. If you have any questions or need help with implementing the customer center, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.